medyo pa isa. Hi Atyang Angge John. Hi Shenanigans. Hello. Hey Lisa, hello Australia. Kamusta JC? Kamusta ang mga ating mga nakunan kagabi na mga pasabog? Hi Galigash. Hi Lloyd. Team Shawarma ako. O ngayon pwede ko nang sabihin yung mga sinasabi ko sa mga viewing party na ang hirap palang i-judge kapag mga sisters mo yung na-judge mo. Ganyan kasi yun. Sinong bias ko? Actually, madami. Tayo na naman tayo. Hindi na ako pwede naman mag-spill. Ay, Ate Janaline. Shout out. Panoorin nyo na lang. August 13 naman na eh. Team Mama Pau ako. Ganda rin Mama Pau, girl. Tama naman yan, Cristiano. Dapat ako talaga manok mo lagi. Oo naman, napanood ko na. Hi Basti, miss you. Ano na? Sayang muntik na. Bakit haggard? Haggard ba ako? Ang yabang mo ate. Kagising lang. Team Precious Forever. Thank you, BJ. Hi! Nasa Grab pa lang po ako. May viewing party ba sa Rampa? Kayo ba? Kung magkaka-viewing party ba, pupunta ba kayo? Yun ang tanong. Kung magkaka-viewing party ba tayo for Station Royal, dadating ba kayo? Manonood ba kayo? Sasamahan niyo ba kaming manood? Is you too. Ano masabi ko? Marami na ako nasabi dyan. Wala pa nga kaming, hindi pa kasi nalabas. Diba ang dami ko na nasabi. Like, nakaka-proud lang na, ano mo yun, hindi lang basta-basta yung cast. Wait lang. Wait lang ko yun.
Maraming salamat.
Makaka-proud na hindi basta-basta yung cast, like even the promo. Oh my god, nakita nyo ba kung gano'n ka-expensive? And ang dami nagsasabi na one of the best promo ever of all the RuPaul's Drag Race franchise yun. Ganda no? Like sabong. Ang galing ng Team Drag Race Philippines. Like, imagine nyo. Alam mo, kina-compare ko nga yung mga promo namin before sa promo ngayon. Grabe na yung improvement in a span of 4 years. 4 years pa 3 years? 4 years, no? Encantadia, Mortal Kombat, Avengers. Hindi talaga dapat Karen Jo. Hi Mac. Saan ba ang viewing party? Tingnan natin, to be announced. Sa confessional sa Antak. Wait lang. Hi Felicia, I miss you. Kailan ang crowning? Hindi ko alam. Pero syempre, ang Drag Race, it's either 12 episodes or 10. So bilangin nyo, from August 13, yung 10th week, yun yung crowning. So anong date yun? Sige nga. Yeah. Maghanap ka na ng bahay, Tin. Ako na nagsasabi maghanap ka na ng bahay. Kasali sa Royal and not Brigadier Villas. Hindi ako pwedeng sumali doon, syempre. Kasi magja-judge nga ako. Ano to, sign ako, judge pa ako. How am I today? To find out. Hindi, okay naman ako. Ayan, I just get back from Doc Sian, ang isa sa mga friend kong dentist. And I'm so happy na naibalik niya na yung smile ko. Love you, Doc Sian. No? Hey sis! Hey Panjoino! Miss you! So, what can you say about the promo of Slation Royal? Right? Sister, come here. Go up, go up. Talk about this. Uh, disappointing, not so pretty promo.
Why am I in this live?
I just want to know what's your opinion about this not so pretty, low quality, promo of Slation Royal.
What do you mean? No, wait. What are you?
Have you
What
seen
are you?
it? Have you seen it?
I mean, I saw the videos. I thought the videos look really cool.
It's not really good.
Okay, I gotta go look at it again because
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, sis. I'm just kidding.
I thought it looked really good. What is wrong with you? And I'm in my retainer, so you're calling me like I'm like this. What is?
How are you? Where are you now? Where are you now?
I'm in San Diego.
You have a show?
No shit. Yes, I have a show. I did a show, and this is why I didn't want to be on live because people with retainers they talk
Oh,
like this.
no. It's
Oh,
okay. Okay.
you're making fun of people with
No, no,
retainers.
I'm not. I'm not.
Maybe you need a retainer, bitch. A retainer from life.
Oh, Dad. Maybe I need one. Where can I get it?
A dentist. Wait, tell me what you think about the promo because I thought the video looks great because not every season has the video promo. You know what I mean?
No. It's actually, comparing it to my season, to my
2,000
Group of
years ago.
Queens. Yeah, 2,000 years ago.
Mm.
It's improved already. Yeah, I love Mama Paus.
Mm.
She's
Who are
so
you?
pretty.
Who are you rooting for? And you can't say the Filipina queens because you're Filipina.
Well, I have a huge crush on Ivory because he's so
Okay.
cute. Guys, you should see Ivory's out of drag pictures. Like
Okay.
cute baby
Can you
boy.
have you ever made a decision based on your brain and not your penis?
Sometimes I do, but upon answering your question,
Mm-hmm.
I need to think and decide what my penis is saying. So
Oh
I'm
my
just
god.
kidding.
How about this? Who are you excited for in the lineup?
But I'm excited to see Suki actually. Suki doll.
Oh, Suki. I thought you meant Silky. I was like, what?
Who's that? Just
Okay,
kidding.
Suki
Yeah,
doll.
I've seen Suki's IGs and yeah. How about
Well,
you?
we this is the first Thai representative from Thailand. After you after UK versus the world, so I'm
Yeah,
like really excited to see what she can do. Yeah,
really good. Like,
yeah, but like the queens from the Philippines are no joke though. It's like top tier queens too, and these like all the other queens coming to like they're all like really like exciting, you know. So
um,
everyone, I think it'll be really fun to watch.
I know it's like Christmas here in the Philippines again. Like all the gays are like, so active and tweeting and
Yeah.
posting. Yeah, it's trending in Twitter.
Oh, it is.
Oh,
What is it trending as much as it did when Jiggly's feet was on the show? I miss her so much. You have no idea. But like, wow, she would have loved me shading her. By the way, just saying.
yeah. Love you, Jigs. Oh my God. It still makes me sad. Like,
I know.
I don't know. I don't know when to recover, but I'm sure she's so proud. Like,
Yeah,
oh, no, no. When are you coming here?
I am coming. I think first it was gonna be August, but and now I think, well, it depends when the show is airing, girl, because I want to be there when the show airs. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you should.
Yeah. I want to see you, and I think Eva's gonna do an event while
Hmm.
it's airing, and that should be so fun. I get to see everybody, get to see you.
Yeah, we are planning to do viewing parties too, so you should drop by and see the new Ramba, babe.
Yeah, I love Rampar.
We just transferred to a new bar, so
Oh, cool. Oh, by the way, the food at Rampart is so good. You have no idea. It's so good.
thank you. But this is
Oh,
way better, like times five
really?
better.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah.
so without spoilers, who do you think's going home first?
I think it's Brigading.
Brigading? What makes you form that opinion?
Like, I don't like her outfit, like the way
Oh,
she sits on the throne. It's not
wait, we
really
can talk about the
womanly.
outfit. If I look at the photos, it means that I leave the live. But I was like, okay, look, we can look at the outfit.
Well, but watching the Meet Queens, I think the
Uh-huh.
weirdest Meet the Queens video is Brigading.
Okay, which one is the
I'm so
strongest in your
sorry.
opinion?
So I love Arizona's.
Mm-hmm.
How about
Mm-hmm.
you?
I haven't watched the video yet. I reposted it, but I need to go watch it.
And then we should do a live again. So I
Okay.
don't want. I wanna. What time is it there?
I'm in San Diego. It's 11 p.m. I'm about to go to sleep. I took a melatonin. I'm on my retainer here, and I'm about to go to sleep.
You should. Okay. I have to go because I need to cook
Oh,
for my
she's busy and
lunch.
important.
Mhm. I'll see you soon. Okay.
Okay, bye, babe. Mwah.
Love you. Bye, sis. Babay na. Sige pa ba na ako at magluluto.